In this video, you will learn about action verbs with meanings and examples.
Rift. A serious disagreement or split. The argument caused a rift between the two friends. A rift developed within the team after the leader left. Surround. To enclose on all sides. The trees surround the house, giving it a secluded feel. Police cars surround the building. Uproot. To pull out of the ground. The storm uprooted several large trees. She had to uproot her life and move to a new city. Hurl. To throw something forcefully. He hurled the ball across the field. She hurled insults at her opponent. Conceal. To hide or keep secret. She tried to conceal her disappointment. He concealed the gift behind his back. Vanish. To disappear suddenly. The magician made the coin vanish. The cat seemed to vanish into thin air. Stoop. To bend down or over. He had to stoop to pick up the pen. She stooped to tie her shoelaces. Leisure. Free time. In her leisure time, she likes to read. He spends his leisure hours painting. Occur. To happen. The event will occur next Saturday. An idea suddenly occurred to her. Dwarf. To make something seem small. The skyscraper dwarfs the surrounding buildings. His talent dwarfs that of his peers. Glutton. Someone who eats too much. He's a glutton for sweets. She called him a glutton after he finished the whole cake. Mute. Unable to speak. The remote control allows you to mute the TV. He was mute with shock. Quarrel. An angry argument. They had a quarrel about money. Siblings often quarrel over toys. Rinse. To wash quickly with water. She rinsed the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. Make sure to rinse your hair thoroughly. Bitter. Having a sharp, unpleasant taste. The coffee was too bitter without sugar. She felt bitter after losing the game. Obtain. To get or acquire. She managed to obtain a rare book. You need to obtain permission to enter. Prohibit. To forbid. Smoking is prohibited in this area. The law prohibits the sale of alcohol to minors. Shrink. To become smaller. The shirt will shrink if washed in hot water. His responsibilities have shrunk over the years.
Subscribe us for more.